you? Fix your face. You're dealing with the public, handling people's food.
Stop, please.
Oh, and you can pipe down and all standing there like an ostrich. People. Can't stand them. Cheerful, grinning people.
Mum, I'll see you in a bit.
Where do you think you're going?
For a walk.
People are going to accuse you of loitering with intent.
Your sister called me.
Who?
Chantel.
I know who my sister is, thank you very much. When are you going to settle down?
Why, you have somebody for me?
Yes, Jesus.
At least he was a single man. Do you want to come to the flat on Sunday? The girls would like to see you.
You know I've got health issues. I might spend the day lying in bed.
She makes everything about her. She's rude, man.
I've been harassed by people all day. I'm sick to death of it. I just want it to all stop.
Why are you so angry? Why can't you enjoy life?
I don't know.
You worry me, you know.
Pansy, what's going on?
I'm so lonely.
What are we gonna do about it? I don't understand you, but I love you.
And her over there with that fat baby, parading it around in the little outfit, not dressed for the weather, nah, with pockets. What's the baby got pockets for? What's it gonna keep in its pocket?